To screencast your OnePlus 15 with your TV, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to click on cross-device connectivity, and after that we want to select Screencast. After that, select search for display devices, and then we need to enable each and every permission that you will see right here. Agree and continue. Again, accept everything that will show up and agree and continue. Now it will look for display devices like your TV. When both your phone and your TV is connected to the same network, you should be able to find it. So as you can see here, I have my TV. All we have to do next is click on that TV, and then it should screencast our phone to that TV screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.